Hello, my name is Hunter Mooney. This is my Graduate for Honors project for the front-end portion of the Nucamp Coding Bootcamp. This project is a React Native app called Stoic Wisdom, Mastering the Art of Tranquility One Quote at a Time. For those unfamiliar, Stoicism is a philosophy emphasizing control over our reactions rather than circumstances, and this is highly relevant in today's complex world. In light of this, I developed an app that retrieves random Stoic quotes from a locally stored database to offer daily wisdom to users. I know there is a public Stoic API available, but I wanted to try to do this with just async storage to better understand it. So basically the main goal of this app was to be able to pull a random quote from a local database and be able to add it to favorites and remove from favorites. Two main challenges I faced were managing the navigation and async storage. I just wanted to create something practical, but also not too complicated. With that being said, a lot of this is a work in progress and likely to be improved in the future as I learn more about web development. So to start off, this was my original design. Let me get this full screen so you can kind of see all my thought process behind kind of what I was going for, um, the color scheme up here. So diving into the app, um, we've got all my different screens down here. Um, and to, I guess, get started with the app, I have our startup page. So I got the title, login screen, and the sign up. So if I click login, um, I'm able to type in my email or password, but since we don't have an account, we'll have to sign up, which there happens to be a link down here at the bottom. And then of course, if you had an account and you forgot your password, you could click here to send a link to get your new password. So we'll go ahead and click sign up, type in my name. Do a little dummy email there. For the password, we'll do Nucamp is awesome. And we have to check the I agree to the terms and conditions and privacy policy, which you can also read through these links here. And then of course, if we already had an account, we could click here at the bottom to go back to login screen if we needed to. So now we'll click create account, sign up successful, which also gets logged in the console. And here on the dashboard, we can see the quote and a picture of the Stoic, which cycles depending on who you're viewing. So right now it's Seneca the Younger, and we could favorite if we wanted to, and unfavorite, and that gets logged in the console. And if we hit Inspire Me, it pulls in the next random one, and so on. We can just keep doing this over and over and over. So if we favorite this one, for example, and then go to our menu here, which we have the Stoic Wisdom title, dashboard, favorites, about, contact, profile, help, terms and conditions, privacy policy, and also a logout button. So if we hit favorites, we can see it here, and we also have the option to delete it. So if we remove it and then go back to our dashboard, click it, and also this is all getting logged in the console. If we come back, there it is again. So we can add a couple more. And if we come back to our favorites, we can see it all in this list. And then our about page is just kind of a generic what this app is about. And contact page, we can enter our name, email, message. So our name, 12@gmail.com. Put something down here, and then if we hit submit, we'll get a message sent. Your message has been submitted successfully. And if it has been sent successfully, you'll get a confirmation in the console. And if we didn't enter anything, we'll get some validation errors, which haven't been fully styled yet, but they're kind of placeholders. Same thing with the login and sign up screen. And of course, profile, from here you can change your information if you need to update it. And a help will, that's just kind of an alert there that would take you to possibly a website that's related to the app. And of course, you can review the terms and conditions again if you'd like, or the privacy policy. And then when you log out, it clears the favorites if you're leaving and you're wanting to make a new account. But if you had made a previous account, it retains the favorites that you had made in async storage. So that way you don't lose any of your favorites. And I guess with that, I guess that kind of concludes showing you around the app, and thank you for taking time to view my project. Thank you.